Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Pilot side mirror. First, gather your essential tools, such as a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine completely off for safety. You might also consider using painter's tape to protect the surrounding painted surfaces from accidental scratches during the process. This preparation makes the entire removal much smoother. Next, you'll need to access the mirror's mounting points. Gently use your trim removal tool to pry off the interior trim panel located on the inside of the door, near the mirror. This panel usually snaps into place. Once it's loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors that might be attached to the panel itself. Remember to keep the trim panel and any fasteners in a secure spot so they don't get lost. Now it's time to detach the mirror. You'll see several mounting bolts holding the mirror assembly to the door frame. Use your screwdriver to carefully unscrew these. After the bolts are removed, gently disconnect the main electrical wiring harness that powers the mirror's functions, like adjustment and heating. With the bolts and wiring disconnected, you can now carefully remove the entire side mirror assembly from your Honda Pilot. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. Align your new mirror assembly, secure it with the mounting bolts, and then firmly reconnect all electrical connectors. Make sure the wiring harness is properly seated before reattaching the interior trim panel. Before you go, remember to check the video description. You'll find a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Plus, we often share other exclusive deals and helpful resources there, so it's always worth a look. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you confidently tackle your side mirror replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.